Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Microsoft Authenticator not working on a new iPhone in a quick and reliable way. First, make sure the app is properly installed from the App Store and updated to the latest version. Now, open the app and check if you're signed in with the correct Microsoft account. If your codes are missing, it usually means backup wasn't restored, so go to Settings and enable Cloud Backup using your account. On your old device, if available, make sure backup was turned on before switching. Next, check your iPhone settings. Go to General, then Date and Time, and enable Automatic Time because incorrect time can break authentication codes. If you're still having issues, remove the account from the app and add it again by scanning the QR code from the service you're trying to access. Finally, restart your iPhone and try again, and your Authenticator should work normally. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.